Hello, I'm Smiley.
Sumatra, an island full of mysteries. The greatest of them all is Mount Sibayak. One of our main goals on Sumatra was to visit Mount Sibayak. When we first planned our trip, there was barely any information about it online, and that sense of mystery made us feel like true explorers. A volcano, the jungle, people with ancient culture. All of this lived in our imagination long before we set foot on the island. At Banda Aceh Airport, we were greeted by our guide.
Up to out of Medan, I don't like Medan. Medan is very busy town. It's very good.
Yeah, no problem.
From the very first moment he felt easygoing, open, with that kind of energy that immediately wins your trust. Together with him, we set off to Berastagi. At first glance, Berastagi is an unremarkable little town, but for those who seek volcanoes, it's the perfect base. From here, everything is close, craters, abandoned villages, and, as we soon learned, the best coffee I've ever tasted.
Now we left.
Our guide turned out to have an incredible story. He was born into the Batak people, the grandson of the last cannibals. Yes, the very same tribe that once ate missionaries. His ancestors lived in harmony with nature, worshipped the spirits of animals and the earth. But today their spiritual culture has almost disappeared, replaced by other religions. Listening to him felt like touching a past that is already slipping away. Berastagi surprised us. There are almost no tourists, and locals look at you with the same curiosity as you look at them. We arrived just before New Year's Eve, and our plan was to greet the new year right at the summit of the volcano. But our guide insisted we go up during the day first to know the way in the dark, and it was the wisest decision. The road took almost an hour. Along the way, our 60-year-old guide, with childlike ease, suddenly stopped and called the monkeys. Just called, and they answered. In his energy, in that playful connection with the forest, there was something absolutely genuine.
It's very good for the muscle or mosquito. Very good this one. Mosquito don't like it.
At the entrance to the national park, he showed us photos. Years ago, he carried an injured tourist down from the volcano.
Here, if I bring you jungle, you don't see any tourists. Or is it real jungle?
So this is no main trail.
And suddenly you realize, for him, this is not just work. This is life itself. We began the climb. The rainforest greeted us with cool air and mist. At first I thought it was fog, but it was the volcano breathing. These forests are part of the UNESCO Gunung Leuser National Park, one of the last places on Earth where orangutans, tigers, rhinos, and elephants still live side by side, all of them on the edge of extinction. The flora is just as striking. Volcanic soil makes the forest a mosaic. Giant trees, ferns taller than a person, rare plants that serve locals as both food and medicine. Our guide said, if you know the forest, you can live only from its gifts.
Yeah, no. Manis.
Ini apa?
fine with us, very perfect. It just was.
In Sumatra, they get more chance get explode because the under fresh they get blocked. So when they earthquake, they open, so all the gas will go out. Otherwise, nice if there is at least 2-3 times a year have earthquake here. So it's good for the volcano. Otherwise, it get blocks. It's under pressure and they very easy here because we have a lot of volcano in Sumatra, but some volcanoes sleeping.
On the trail, we passed groups of young people. They had come from Banda Aceh for the holidays, smiling, polite, cheerful. It felt like Sumatra itself was greeting us through them. The jungle around Sibayak is a living museum of evolution. In the canopy, gibbons sing duets, their voices carrying for miles. Orangutans craft umbrellas from leaves, while rare tigers hide in the shadows. Overhead, hornbills fly with booming calls like messengers from a prehistoric world. Walking there, you realize this is what Earth once looked like thousands of years ago.
Victoria, how are you?
So far, I'm okay. Thank you. But I don't know when I get up there. Hope for the best.
The higher we climbed, the stronger the volcano's breath became. The air filled with the sharp scent of sulfur. Beneath our feet crunched pumice, light as a piece of frozen cloud. You're walking on rock that was once liquid fire.
The geyser usually get more when the rain season. It's good for the balance from our volcano. Without rain, it will be easy to explode. When it's water, when the rain coming, get steam more. There's less power. But it's good for our volcano when the rain coming to make it stable.
And then the crater.
Like sound, yeah?
This is the one when I do sunrise in here in the morning. I like sitting here because it's warm. Early here because in here in the morning they can like in 5 degree. For Indonesians, bloody cold. Yeah, so when in the morning, so it's too cold here. I come here, so everyone sitting here. So get warm place here. Without a rain season, you can see lava. Only in the night you come in the dark time, so you can see red color when you come here. I often when the dry season I come here. So nobody going there. People are afraid there because sometimes when you push like this, boom.
Yes, very hot.
This earthquake. This new one.
Oh, so later open up, huh?
But in Berastagi we don't mind. In German, this for the sulfur they use for the medicine.
Steam bursts from the cracks with a deep roar. Geysers shoot up with such force that the air itself trembles.
Yeah.
This is the beating heart of the earth pulsing right beneath our feet. And in that moment I felt two emotions at once, fear and wonder. Sibayak doesn't threaten, it captivates. The climb was long and fatigue filled every muscle. Even our dog walked slowly, breathing heavily, but with a satisfied look, as if she too had enjoyed the adventure.
So this volcano Sibayak, I climbed more than 1,000 times. Every time coming here, every year always different. How look like this volcano? Depend of the weather. Sometimes this crater full of the water like this. It's warm water. It's nice. Or you can swim. You can go swim here. But today it's less rain. It's not much like that. Usually you can get hot water here, you can swim here. So this volcano, look at that. Before the crater is one together, and 1972 was the explode, and all the crater get be like the whole again.
Yeah, hot.
It's from the earthquake.
Earthquake.
So the water is good when the earthquake come in, the open is all the gas that go out.
Which gas?
This from the lava gas.
Lava gas.
Yeah. Can you imagine from the under ship the 3,200 meter, the under fresh, so strong. The wine here in Berastagi we use for our power, for electric we use this in Berastagi for they call it geothermal.
We on teapot, yeah?
Yeah, we use we put the pad, so take all the geyser, push up the turbine to make a machine.
Wow.
The wine in Berastagi is electric very cheap.
Yeah.
Yeah, because we use the natural energy.
Yeah. Eco energy.
Yeah, they call it geothermal. So when we go to hot spring later, we can see how it look like, how the process. It's nice. It's natural.
Yeah.
And then a sudden contrast. After the wild jungle and the raw power of the volcano, my eyes caught pipes and concrete, a geothermal power station. It takes the volcano's heat and turns it into electricity, powering an entire town. And you realize the earth here doesn't just frighten and amaze. It feeds, it gives light,